Bonjour les enfants, c'est moi, Madame Saleh and Blue. Bonjour. Okay, last week, if you remember, we looked at our family and we looked at all the French words for family. So here we have ma famille and the names of all the different relatives that you might have needed to draw your family tree. And I asked you to email your family trees to me at year5 at harrisonprimaryschool.co.uk. And some of you did, and they were fantastic to look at. So well done and thank you. If you haven't, but you have done one, don't forget, it's not too late. Quickly send it to me so I can see what wonderful work that you've been doing practicing your French. But this week we're going to move on and we're going to look at something slightly different. We're going to look at les nombres. Okay, so we're going to look at the numbers 1 to 20. All right, so we're going to break them down in groups of 5. So the first 5 that we're going to look at, les nombres 1 à 5. So let's go through them together, shall we? So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's do it one more time. Say it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Let's move on. So the numbers 6 to 10. So going down. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you say it with me this time? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, perhaps you have a go on your own. Excellent. Right, moving on. Oh, we've got a change. Is that you, Neighbour? Ah, l'étoile blue stars. Okay, let's carry on counting. Gets a little bit more difficult after 10, but we can do it. So let's have a look at the numbers 11 to 15. So we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, say it with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now have a go on your own. Excellent. Okay, let's have a little move on. And now we have the numbers 16 to 20. So I'm going to say them first. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now you say them with me. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent. If you have a look at 17, 18 and 19, they're actually made up of 10 and then the other digit. So 17 is 10 and 7, 17. 17 and 18 is 10 and 8, 18. 18 and 19 is 10 and 9, 19. Okay, so one more time, see if you can do it by yourself. I'm sure you said it brilliantly. So we can now do the whole range of numbers. Shall we do them together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, excellent. So what I'd like you to do this week is to draw a number chart in French for the numbers 1 to 20. So you can illustrate each of the numbers any way you like. You can use boxes, fish, circles, cakes, but you must write the names of the numbers in French underneath each one. So use the examples that we've given you, okay, to help you. And don't forget to email me your finished number chart to me at year5 at harrisonprimaryschool.co.uk. Another idea that you could use numbers for is to play Lotto, which is like bingo. So I would suggest that you are the caller. So everybody else that you're playing with should write 6 numbers between 1 and 20 on a piece of paper. Okay, then you call out the numbers 1 to 20 in French in a random order. Perhaps have a piece of paper handy so you can jot down which numbers you've said so you don't forget. And then as you call out each number, if a family member has got the number on their piece of paper, they can cross it off. And the first person to cross out all their numbers shouts, carton for a full house. So have fun playing that. And alternatively, you can also practice your vocabulary on the website that we've been looking at over the last couple of weeks. So select beginners, select words, and select numbers. But above all, have fun and keep safe. So from me and Les Bleus, au revoir, au revoir, au revoir les enfants.